Question number 2. X Limited is considering following two alternatives of financial planning. The indifference point between the plans is 2,40,000. In November 2013, they are not directly asking you a routine question. They have directly given you indifference point. Tax rate is 30%. Calculate the rate of dividend on preference shares. So this is not given. They are telling me to find out what is preference dividend and then rate of preference dividend. Yes. What is the total amount of preference shares? 2 lakh rupees. Let me do plan 1 and plan 2 and let me write down the statement. Plan 1, plan 2. EBIT, I am taking 2,40,000, which is indifference point. Which is indifference point. What does this mean? At this level of EBIT, you will be earning huge profits. No, you will be having EPS equal under both the plan. So EBIT minus interest. In plan 1, interest will be 12 into 2 lakhs. 12% into 2 lakhs is 24,000. In plan 2, there is no interest. So 0. This will be EBT. This is 2,16,000. This will be 2 lakh. EAT, EBT into 0.70. 2,16,000 into 0.7 is 1,51,200. 1,51,200. This will be 2,40,000 into 0.7, which is 1,68,000. Minus preference dividend. In plan 1, preference dividend is 0. In plan 2, there is a preference dividend, but we don't know the answer. So let me write it down as X. What will be earnings available to equity shareholders? Earnings available to equity shareholders will be 1,51,200. And in this case, 1,68,000 minus X. What will be EPS then? It is 1,51,200 divided by number of shares. Number of shares will be 4 lakh. Divided by 10 is 40,000. And here it will be 1,68,000 minus X divided by number of shares will be 4 lakh. Divided by 10 is 40,000. Alright, what we need to find out, but we cannot find out X because this is a different answer. I can find out this answer, yes, easily in my calculator, but this answer cannot be found. Any student can help me how I will be finding out the answer? How I will find out answer of X?
Sir, EPS of both will be same.
Why EPS of both will be same, Darshita?
Because EBIT, which we took 2,40,000, is the indifference point.
Exactly. If you take indifference point as EBIT under both the plans, the EPS will be same. So I can equate this to 1,51,200 divided by 40,000 should be equal to 1,68,000 minus X divided by 40,000. This can be cancelled. X will be 1,68,000 minus 1,51,200. 1,68,000 minus 151,200 will be 16,800 rupees. What we have taken as X is preference dividend. And they are not just asking preference dividend, they are asking rate of preference dividend. Now, how much money is there in preference dividend? 2 lakhs. What is the preference dividend paid? 16,800 multiplied by 100. This will be rate of dividend. How much percentage dividend is there? So this will be 16,800 divided by 2 lakhs multiplied by 100 is 8.4 percentage. So this rate was not given, which is 8.4 percentage, and you can mark it as good question. Why? It is not a traditional question whereby you just need to find out financial indifference point. They want you to use a financial indifference point to find out preference dividend. Now, this type of question can be only in academics. It cannot be in practical life. But still, it is a good question, seeing the understanding portion that you should know. If you take financial indifference point as EBIT, your EPS will be